Welcome, class 1 student, in the lecture of reasoning, your second chapter, measuring units. Introduction. In this chapter, you will learn how to compare the length or weights of different things. You will also learn how to change one unit time and money into another. There are three types of measuring units. Type 1, comparing the length of different objects. In this type 1, the subdivision is for straight objects. Measure them by either tape or ruler. Second is for curved object. If object has maximum curve, then it is the longest. If object has minimum curve, then it is the shortest. Okay? Now we take a example. Example 1. Which of the two snakes is longer? A and B. Okay. Now explanation. Look at the figure of two snakes. You can see the snakes A is longer. As you know, student, snake A is a longer. Okay. So the right answer is A. Now come to the example 2. Which of the two is taller? Here is dog. Here is horse. So explanation is horse is taller than dog. As you know, student, horse is taller than dog. So the right answer is horse. Now come to the type 2. Comparing the weights of different object. Okay. To find out the weight of different objects, use weighting scale. Once you know their weights, it is easy to place them in this order, from lightest to heaviest, from heaviest to lightest. Now come to the example. Example 3. Which of the two has more weight? Here is Astha, here is Tapish. As you see, the seesaw bend more towards Astha. Okay, this is because Astha has more weight. Astha has more weight, that is why Astha towards bend. Okay, I hope you can understand. Now come to the example 4. Which of the two has more amount of money? Option A, coin of 5, coin of 5, coin of 10. Option B, coin of 5, coin of 10, coin of 10. In the set of A option, the amount of money is 5, 5 plus 10 is equal to 20. In the set of B, amount of money is 5, 10, 10. 5, 10, 10 is equal to 25. So the answer is B correct. Okay, because here is 25, here is 20. So the more amount of money in the option of B. Okay. Type 3. Changing one unit into another. Here one unit is changed into another in this way. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. We convert time. Here one unit is changed into another in this way. Number of days in a week is equal to 7. Number of months in a year is equal to 12 months. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now come to the last one example. How many days do 2 weeks have? Option A 21, B 7, C 14, D 35. How many days do 2 weeks have? Option C, because I'm say again, number of days in a week is 7. Okay, 1 week is equal to 7 days. 2 weeks is equal to 4. 7 into 2 is equal to 14 days. So the right option is C. I hope you all understand my chapter definition. Thank you.